Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bandhan Bank's account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Bandhan Bank. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to retail.bandhanbank.com. Once the page has been loaded up, you can either log in with your user ID or MPIN. Today we will be logging in with our user ID. Enter your user ID, then enter your password. Then click to I agree to the terms and conditions of Bandhan Bank. Then click to get OTP. Then you will get OTP in your mobile number. Enter the OTP, then you should be able to access your Bandhan Bank's account. If you forgot your user ID, you can get help by clicking to Forgot User ID. And if you forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.